South Florida this week, chasing Osceola Gobblers with G3 Outfitters.
You brought him with you? Jimmy, how you doing?
Good.
Good to see you.
I think there's gonna be some action down at that end of the field.
Light! On the door so I can fire you.
My first Osceola.
If Jimmy was a turkey gobbler, we'd set up right next to a Krispy Kreme shop.
What do you think about your first one with the crossbow?
It was different. It's kind of a challenge. Look at them. They tearing it up.
My question is, if the... Hey, Jimmy, now we got to bite a banana. Now it's a banana split. Primos Truth About Hunting is brought to you by Bushnell, Savage, Federal, Matthews Archery, Rage, Mossy Oak, Squincher, Polaris, and Primos Hunting. Speak the language.
Hello.
Shello? What is that?
Hello.
Look, where the heck are you?
We're ready to leave.
I'm trying. I can't help it. I was stuck back in the water.
You knew what time we were supposed to leave.
Correct.
I mean, well, you know.
What are we supposed to do with you, Lake?
I don't. Forgive me.
I don't want to forgive you, Lake.
I want to kill you.
Oh, well, kill the turkey, not me.
Lake, you went turkey hunting this morning, didn't you? We're trying to get out of town, and you personally went turkey hunting, didn't you?
I was gonna make a quick little run out to my camp by my house.
So you went turkey hunting knowing we were trying to get out of town, got a long 13, 14-hour drive down to Florida.
Yeah, no, I'm aware. I'm aware.
Yeah, you come on, and I'll have a man-to-boy talk with you when you get here.
I'm coming as quick as I can, I promise.
All right.
All right, see you, bye. Jerk.
Jerk.
Coming, we're running late. My stuff's packed. Unpack it, cause you ain't going. Me and Troy going, you ain't going.
Why?
What do you mean why? We've been waiting on you for 4 hours.
After a stern talking to from Jimmy, we hit the road. We're southbound to Florida. Jimmy's going to try something he's never done before. Take a turkey with his mission crossbow.
That's a long drive, but
Sheesh.
I'm glad we're here.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
Nobody's home. Nobody's home.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's happening? There y'all are.
Lake Pickle.
How you doing, Brad?
Good to meet you, man. You know him?
We made it.
You brought him with you? Jimmy, how you doing?
Good.
Good to see you. Yes, sir.
Good to see you.
How y'all doing?
We're doing good. We're doing good. We made it. Good time. Long drive.
Right.
Legs are a little stove up.
Yeah.
Well, good deal. Well, let me finish up this bow here.
Okay.
Let me shoot that crossbow you brought down.
Okay. Here it goes.
I see him back there in the back corner of that field, all puffed up.
There's another hen coming from the left, heading right to him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hens, I think. What's the game plan in the morning, Brad? How do you think we're gonna get to him?
What we'll probably do is park the truck back over here, come to this gate and slip down this tree line and get down there about 300-400 yards when them trees come to the point down there.
I see, yep.
And set it right there on that point.
We'll have to get in here early then, huh?
And get it real early.
I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight.
Not really.
That's a big gobbler.
This segment of The Truth is brought to you by Hide Spot Quivers, Black Gold, and Ripcord.
Well, it's lake up. No. Oh, wasn't he the one that said, I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep last night? Huh?
I think you should go wake him up. You would think that a young man after his first Osceola probably was been sitting in the back of the truck already.
You would think he would be just like an old bird dog ready to jump up in the tailgate. But Lake! Lake! I heard something hit the floor.
The door's locked, really?
Yeah, he locks his door. Out here in the middle of God's country, and he locks his door. Yeah. Wait, Lake, come on. Open the door. Open the door so I can fire you.
What did I do?
It's Lake. It's 5:30.
No, it ain't.
What time did we say we were going to meet up?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Well, it is 10 after 5. Open this dang door. I don't want to fire a man through a door. Or a boy.
I am coming. Give me a second.
What?
You're afraid to open it.
Lake, last night you said, I'm not going to be able to sleep. Zip your pants up.
Sorry.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Tuck your shirt, your pant pocket in. I have to put your socks on.
Hey. Are you bringing your calls?
You know, and I've been hunting turkeys for going on about 50 years, half a century, and nobody has ever asked me before we went out in the morning, am I bringing my calls?
Are you?
Yes.
I'm going back to bed.
Come on, let's go. Them turkeys ain't gonna wait for you. Come on. Ain't gonna be no nap today.
Me and Jimmy and Troy, we got in here early before daylight. Tried to get almost up under that turkey we saw strutting yesterday afternoon. It's just starting to break day, and he just told us good morning a few minutes ago. He's starting to get fired up now. I get chill bumps every time he gobbles. This is incredible. There it goes. I hear it. Yeah, I hear his hens yelping. He sounds right there to me. There he goes right there. There he goes, you see him? Right there, straight behind Gobstopper Jake. You go right past him, he just hit the ground. They're going away. They're going to the other side of this field. Those hens flew down over there. Yep.
You want me to fan him?
Yep. Yeah. seen that. They're coming back. They're coming back. They're turning around. You got him, Troy?
Yeah, hang on.
Okay. Just tell me when.
Just let him come to the left. You ready?
Yeah.
Kill him.
Yes, sir! Mr. Jimmy! T-Roy!
Oh, Jimbo, you did good.
Oh my gosh.
Your first Osceola.
My first Osceola.
I mean, how many times have you seen that scenario? They're coming to you, all of a sudden them hens flew down over on the other side of the field where we saw him roost last night, and he just turned and started walking, him and that Jake, right to him. Pulled up old chicken on the stick. Just...
Y'all told me, y'all said, you wait, these Osceolas are mean.
Yeah.
And you put that thing up, I mean, they, pew. I don't know how many times I'll get blessed enough to see what we saw this morning in my life, but as God is my witness, that will never get old. That's the best way to start the morning.
All right, well, what can you do about the rain that looks like it's fixing to happen? What can you do about that?
Absolutely nothing.
Okay, well, I don't know.
We're gonna have a good break this morning, I think. I mean, it's just a light drizzle right now and clear up for a couple hours, and it's gonna hit us again this afternoon, I think.
Yeah, it's one of them days you don't get too far from the truck, so.
We're gonna be 150 yards from the truck.
Okay.
In a blind.
I used to do 100 in about 4.8. But with all my gear, it might take me a, full 10 seconds.
I believe that one, City.
Yeah, okay.
Here we are, ready to hit the woods. But Jimmy has to make a pit stop. If Jimmy was a turkey gobbler, we'd set up right next to a Krispy Kreme shop.
Seek and you shall find.
You want in?
Good. And as a turkey hunter, I'm a turkey hunter, you're a turkey hunter, we're both turkey hunters. On a day like today, what would you expect?
On a day like today,
And what about a day like tomorrow? And if the
on a day like today,
and my question is, if the, hey, Jimmy, now we got to buy a banana. All right, I got to buy a banana. Now it's a banana split.
A mushed banana.
Yes, ma'am. How much I owe you for this squished banana?
79.
We in.
looks like the rain's moved out of this place for a while, for a little while. I guess it's okay, we can go give it a shot.
This is one of those quiet, still mornings. Turkeys are not gobbling. We know turkeys are here. This is cattle country. It's wide open. We've seen them through here a lot, or Brad has, over the past couple of weeks. So, best thing you can do is what we're gonna do. We're gonna build a blind, sit here, and wait. Brad, grab that chicken on a stick, crawl out there and see if you can fan that turkey on over here.
Yeah, we do. I'll get you in there.
Yeah, I want you to.
Let's try it.
Look, I need him over here by that Jake.
Why don't you not tell me what to do?
He's just hanging out with his hens. He doesn't see it yet.
That's not him. There's another around the corner coming.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? Get back in here? You want to kill him right here?
He's close, too.
He's coming in behind him. Come, right here, right here. Get ready, Jimmy.
I'm ready. Two of them coming. I see him, Phil.
Don't shoot the first one, Jimmy.
Okay.
They're right there. Come to the ditch.
Closed captioning for The Truth provided by Final Approach. This segment of The Truth is brought to you by Ozonics, Yeti, and Ceasefire. Jimbo and Brad were just trying to fan up a gobbler with hens out in front of us, when on our left, two gobblers cut loose out of nowhere.
Get ready, Jimmy.
I'm ready. Two of them coming. I see him, Phil.
Don't shoot the first one, Jimmy.
Okay.
They're right there. Come to the ditch. Jimmy, the second bird, the strutter.
Okay.
Give it a shot. Whenever you can, Jimmy.
Okay. Okay. All right, you ready?
Yep.
He's down.
He's done.
Hey, that great man.
He's
That
done.
awesome. That is awesome.
You smoked him. Hey, where'd he go? 7 yards, maybe?
Yeah, well, I was going to try and shoot him in the head, but he was such a pretty, quartering to me shot. I knew I could just run it right through, hit him at the base of the wings.
That bolt shot through him, and I think it's still going. Right through them pound.
I heard it hit them
trees.
trees.
Them trees in there.
And how about his buddy over there?
Oh, yeah.
Here comes that first gobbler. Oh, man, look at him. Look at him. Look at him fight.
What's going on to him, man? Look at him.
Oh, that's awesome.
It don't get much better than that right there. Look.
What is that? Well, I mean, golly. Holy smokes.
They tearing it up.
What do you think? Good spurs.
Nice.
About 1.25 inches.
10 1/4 inch beard.
Boy, that's a long beard for
Yeah.
down here. Look at that. A little wet.
That's to be expected today. I mean,
Good job. Good job.
what do you think about your first one with the crossbow? Pretty exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah, you know, it was different. It's kind of a challenge.
Right.
I wanted to shoot him in the head, but I had such a good broadside shot. He was there. It's good. It's done. Thank you, Brad.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Had a great time this morning.
Next week on The Truth, we're still in Florida.
These turkeys will come out of these pastures. They travel this cypress head up and down all day long.
Trying to get on a crossbow?
Yeah. Look at Jim. He's gonna walk out to the edge of the field and spook the turkey. Just that far out.
Yeah, it was close.
My heart about to beat out of my chest.
Rode through that swampy old Primos wagon.
That was fun. I enjoyed that.
That and this, it never gets old. It just never gets old.